Today's topic is basically purpose to explain this recombinant DNA technology with the help of that how different important protein is produced. So here scheme to produce recombinant human insulin is explained. First, that particular human cell which is containing all the chromosome 23 pairs of chromosome is isolated which are responsible for the insulin production. So human gene which is able to produce insulin that is isolated and that is possible to get from the beta cell of pancreas which is in the active form. Now once it is getted, bacteria from that plasmid is isolated and this plasmid is cutted with the enzyme that is restriction endonuclease, and same that human insulin gene that is also cutted with the same restriction endonuclease. Now these both particular gene for the insulin production and plasmid will be combined. So gene inserted in a plasmid and sealed using the enzyme that is ligase. Now that particular plasmid will have a desired gene that is inserted in a host bacteria. Now once that getting of that host bacteria with this inserted plasmid, that is multiplied or clone formation. Once that multiple copies of clone is formed, that is further grown in a particular colonies or media. So reproduction of bacteria and plasmid which have a desired gene, and from that particular plasmid a multiple form or multiple quantity of this insulin or protein can be generated. So that is simple way. Basically a gene for the production of insulin is needed and plasmid once it is inserted or joined with the particular desired gene of this insulin production, and that need to be multiplied in a colonies. So that is simple way to produce recombinant human insulin, and same way different important protein for the requirement that can be produced. So that is based on the recombinant DNA technology.